5 Misunderstandings about IRS Tax Form 1040-SR. Navigating the world of tax forms can feel like trying to read a map in a blizzard, especially when the IRS introduces forms that look nearly identical to the ones we've used for decades. Form 1040-SR, the U.S. tax return for seniors, was introduced to make life easier for taxpayers aged 65 and older, but its arrival has sparked several persistent myths. While it is designed to be more accessible, many people mistakenly believe it changes their actual tax liability or creates a separate set of rules just for them. Understanding the nuances of this form is essential to ensure you're not missing out on benefits or worrying over non-existent complexities. Number 1. The myth of mandatory usage. One of the most common misconceptions is that taxpayers must use Form 1040-SR once they hit age 65. In reality, the IRS gives you a choice. If you qualify by age, you can use either the 1040-SR or the standard 1040. There's no penalty for choosing the traditional form, and the calculations remain exactly the same. The 1040-SR is simply an alternative version with a larger font and a printed standard deduction table for easier reference. You should choose the version that makes you feel most comfortable during the filing process. Number 2. Misunderstanding income limits. Many seniors worry that Form 1040-SR is only for those with simple tax situations or limited income, similar to the now defunct Form 1040-EZ. This is completely untrue, as the 1040-SR has no income ceiling and supports all the same schedules as the regular 1040. Whether you have complex investment dividends, business income, or rental properties, you can still use the senior-specific form. It is a full-featured tax return, not a light version, so you don't have to sacrifice any reporting capabilities to enjoy the larger print. Number 4. The new tax break delusion. A frequent misunderstanding is the belief that using Form 1040-SR automatically grants a special senior discount or a lower tax rate compared to the standard 1040. While it is true that seniors often qualify for a higher standard deduction, this benefit is based on your age, not the specific form you use. If you are 65 or older, you get that increased deduction regardless of whether you file on a 1040 or a 1040-SR. The form itself doesn't change the math of how much you owe the government. It just makes the math easier to see. Number 4. Itemization confusion. Some taxpayers believe that choosing Form 1040-SR means they are restricted to taking the standard deduction and cannot itemize. This is a significant misconception that could lead to overpaying if your deductible expenses, like medical bills or charitable gifts, exceed the standard amount. Just like the regular 1040, the 1040-SR allows you to attach Schedule A to itemize your deductions if that is more beneficial for your situation. The form is designed to highlight the standard deduction because many seniors find it more advantageous, but it never locks you out of itemizing. Lastly, there's a lingering idea that Form 1040-SR is only for single filers or couples where both spouses are over 65. In truth, as long as one filer on a joint return meets the age requirement by the end of the tax year, the couple can use the 1040-SR. It accommodates all filing statuses, including married filing jointly, head of household, and qualifying surviving spouse. You don't need to wait until both partners reach the age milestone to switch to the senior version of the form. For more informative videos about taxes, finances, and investments, we welcome you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.